Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Arteck HW192 Wireless Keyboard. Introduction. Specifications. Package contents. Product overview. Charge the battery. Features: stainless steel, ultra slim, easy setup, comfortable keystrokes, dimension, silent, comfortable typing, power source rechargeable. Product description. Key functions. Indicator, low power indicator, charging indicator, FN lock indicator. Num lock indicator, caps indicator, power indicator. Troubleshooting. FAQs. How do I connect the Arteck HW192 wireless keyboard to my device? What should I do if my keyboard stops responding? How do I reset the Arteck HW192 wireless keyboard? Can wireless keyboards be a security risk? How does 2.4 GHz keyboard work?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.